So guys, welcome back. I'm going to start again. I'm going to starting from scratch. I'm going to create this whole design here. Basically, I start by adding a frame. I'm using iPhone 13 and 14. iPhone 13 and 14 frame. So you can choose whatever frame you want. So now I'm going to add a grid. I'm going to add a column grid. Count 16, and margin 16, and also go to 16. Go to 16. Yeah, so this is the grid I'm using for me, so that I can have a perfect alignment. So now I'm going to add a text. Welcome back. So let's see. Duplicating this text. Tap export. So add the fonts of this Explorer. Let's say we are adding 48. Let's change the div typeface to oxygen. Okay, so highlight both text, add auto layout to the text. Yeah, so adjust the gap to 4, and then let's place it here. So let's change the color of this welcome text. Let's give it, let's say, like purple. Yeah. So now we are coming to design our navigations. So we add text, we type our navigations, portrait, duplicate, nature, duplicate, architecture, duplicate, minimal, let's see, add food, technology, So guys, I have my navigations. I think I duplicated architecture twice. So let's do it this way, portrait. Let's put nature and technology. Technology to be here. Yes. That's for technology. So guys, so you highlight all of them. After highlighting them, so highlight both. So add a frame selection to them. So add a frame selection. So rename this frame selection to subnav. So then after which then, so guys, we have already added a frame selection on our navs. So now let's add an auto layout. So right click, make sure you highlighted everything, add an auto layout, rename the auto layout. Let's give it nav items. So let's reduce, let's add the gap between, let's say 22. Let's add the gap between, let's add the frame. So let's do some adjustments here with the navigations. Let's try to design it well. First of all, we want to make the navigation user friendly. Let's give the portrait a bold, and also let's reduce the opacity of these other navs. Let's reduce them to 40. I don't know if we can leave the fonts like that. Sorry, I don't know if we can leave the font like that. So now let's add an indicator to show that we are active, like this page is active or this navigation is active. So let's give it something like a stroke. Let's change the color to purple, and let's put it inside nav. So let's reduce it a little bit. Yes. So let's leave it like this. So guys, we already have our navigations. These are navigations. So now let's create um, our gallery section, like our pictures. So how to do it? Come to the tool, select the shape rectangle. Let's do the size of this one first so that you can get the actual size. So bring it here, bring it here, and also let's duplicate this one. Let's see if we can get the size of this one also. So do the same, bring it here. So make sure they are properly aligned with the grid. So you duplicate, also duplicate, 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 and duplicate. So duplicate this one. They add the size and the size. So basically this is the grid. So make sure that all of the grids have a border radius. Let's give all the border radius. Let's say 6 border radius. So now let's try to add the pictures. We already know how to add the pictures, remember. Welcome back. So guys, basically I've already added my portrait pictures, my portrait photos into my project. So I guess you guys know how to add photos into your project. So first of all, you need to have this Unsplash plugin. In order to do it, you right click, then you move to plugin, then you click on Splash. So on Splash, let's say now we are on Splash, we want to change this picture. Let's say we want to change this to this lady, so it automatically change. So this is how you add photos into your Figma project. So guys, basically I've already done this. So now what next? We need this navigation, these icon navigations. So basically we need these icons. How can we get these icons? We also need to add some plugins. Right click, then you move to plugins, then you click iconify plugins. So let's wait for a few minutes. Yeah, my icons are here. So I need the home icon, so let's choose this one, click, drag and click. So we also need what's the search for search. So you click and drag. We also need the ads, click and drag. We also need the profile, let's look for a good one, or let's say contacts. Let's look for profile. I'm trying to find a suitable one. Okay, let's take this one. So now we already have our icons. So let's remove this. So let's change the color of our icons. Let's change the color to black. So after changing the color to black, so now remember we want to create a section for these icons. So now let's reduce the opacity of these ones, let's say to 40, like the way we do for the other navigations. So now remember we have done something like this on how to create a button. You right click, then you add an auto layout, then you can rename this icon navs. So let's give this a fill. And let's add the margin and the padding. Let's add, let's see, left and right. Let's add 20, then top and bottom. Let's add 25. Let's reduce it to 20 again. So let's give it a border radius, let's say 10. So guys, let's continue. Remember I added a border radius, 10 border radius to this navigation, icon navigation. So let's give it 100 so that it will look like the other one. So as you can see here, let's try to add the length of this, and let's put the icons at the center. Yes, so I think this is okay. Let's try to compare them. See if they are the same. Okay, so guys, this is enough. So let's group this gallery section. Let's try to group all of them, all the pictures. So right click and let's give it a group selection. Let's name it at gallery. So let's add this into our project. So guys, basically this is the design of our photo inspirational application. Let's remove the grid and see how it looks like. So guys, basically this is what you guys are supposed to do. Let's move this down a bit. Okay, so guys, this is what you guys are supposed to do. So hope you guys can do this by watching this tutorial. It will help you. So now to do the other navigations, or to do the other interfaces, you just have to duplicate them, duplicate these ones. Remember, we need three interfaces. So let's duplicate this 3 times or 2 times. Let's move the nav into nature. Also, let's move this other one to architecture, to technology, I mean. So guys, this is how you do. So now let's highlight this, let's give it a bold text, and let's add the opacity to 100 to indicate that we are on nature interface, on nature page. So same thing let's do for this one. Let's give it a bold text, and let's also add the opacity to 100. So now let's try to change the pictures for these ones. Remember, you right click, move to plugins, right click, plugins, unsplash. So on splash, you look for nature. If there's no nature here, okay, we have nature pictures, so let's add them quickly. So guys, this is how you add. So guys, basically I've added all the photos for our navigations. As you can see, for nature you can see all the photos for nature, and also for technology you can see all the pictures for technology. So now we are coming to do some prototype. We are coming to do some interaction, wherein when you click at this nature, it will take you to nature, and also when you click at technology, it will take you to technology, and also you will go back and forth. So but before we do that, I would like to rename this frame. Let's rename this frame to nature, and also let's rename this other one to technology. So basically we have renamed our frames. So before we do the prototype, our frames, as you can see, this frame is now nature, and also this frame is now technology. So basically we are going to do prototype and interaction. Remember the assignment 2, you guys need to do some interaction. You guys need to make the user interact with your application. So that is what I'm going to do for my own project. My project is photo inspirational app. This is an app wherein you can create an account. After you have created an account, your name will be registered. After you have registered, then you can come and explore and also get some inspirations to add to your project. It's all about pictures. Whatever kind of pictures you want, whatever photos you like to add to your project, you can come to this app to add to your project. So guys, let's add some prototype. Remember, you click on prototype. After clicking on prototype, now we want to move to the nature section, or to the nature interface. You click on the nature text and move the prototype to nature. So let's try to add some interaction here. The trigger is as soon as you tap, it will direct you to nature, and we are using Smart Animate Easy Out. So we'll do the same for technology. As soon as you click on technology, it will take you to technology. Tap technology destination. Okay, milliseconds. Let's see first if this is working. Click on nature. Let's move to the other screen. Let's remove this. On top, navigate to technology. Same Smart Animate Easy Out. No. So let's remove this. So guys, we have got this one. So now we want to go back. How to go back? Remember, you click on the group grid of this and move to the nature frame. Then our trigger is not tapping but on drag. As soon as you drag, it will take you to the nature, and also the same 300 milliseconds. So we'll do for the same here. As soon as you drag, it will take you back and forth. Also we'll do for the same here. On drag, same. On drag. So guys, let's see if this prototype is working the way we want it. So now let's click on the nature. It turns it to nature. Let's click on technology. It turns it to technology. So let's see if we can go back and forth. Nature, technology, nature, and portrait. So guys, let's do it again. Go nature, technology. Let's try to go back to nature. Let's try to go back to portrait. So guys, basically this is what you guys need to do, but this is just a simple demo. You get, I want you guys to do something more complex, more outstanding than this one. Remember? So guys, this is actually the prototype and also the design of this photo inspiration app. So let's try to do a quick demo. Let's try to redo the demo on a bigger screen so that you guys can see how it actually works. Remember, you guys need to do something more complex than this one. This is just a simple design and also a simple prototyping, but I'm expecting you guys to do something that is more outstanding and also complex. So basically, assignment 2, you guys need to design and also do some interactions with more than maybe 5 or 4 interfaces. Remember, we already started the interfaces in class for those that do the exercise. Remember, those exercises are going for 15 marks. Only 11 students did the work, but for those that did not do the work, you guys can watch this tutorial and also gain some inspirations from this so that you can add to your own project. So let's try to do some quick demo on this one. So let's do some navigation. Let's click on nature. See, there's a transition going on. It automatically transits to nature pictures. Let's click on technology. As you can see, it also do some transition to technology. And let's try to go back. So you guys, you see, let's try to go back. So guys, basically this is just a simple design and also simple interactions. So guys, I want you guys to come up with something outstanding and create ideas. Remember, I have seen some of your work. Some of you guys are doing a food delivery app, some of you guys are doing a business registration app, some of you guys are doing healthcare app, some of you guys are doing medical care. So guys, I want you guys to do something more outstanding. And remember, you guys are going to present your work. Our presentation is on Friday. So guys, please, maybe as time goes on, I'll be creating more tutorial like this, but I can only do this if I see your commitment, if I see your work, if I see that you are following these tutorials. But if I'm not seeing any results, I cannot continue with this. So guys, please, I really want to see this work. I really want to see you guys do the work. If you think that the tutorial is not good enough, you can give me feedback so that I can improve. But guys, I really want you guys to do the work. do the work, please. But it's a very simple application software that you can use as a programmer to put up an idea into life. Yes, so guys, please. So thank you very much.